Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Arcade Travel. Today we're back on the Utopia of the Seas, exploring an interior connecting room on deck 10. Let's go take a look. Just a note, the Wi-Fi on board was really good. It really outpaced my expectations because last year on the Allure it was really bad. But I can't say anything negative about Utopia's experience with the Wi-Fi. I did see other Wi-Fi signals capturing people's Roku sticks, so that might be an option that I might look into for my next cruise. As we enter the room, you're immediately greeted by a queen-size bed, which can be converted to 2 twin beds if you're traveling with 2 people. I was solo on this trip, so I opted for the queen-size bed. For those of you not planning on spending too much time in the room, this would be good for you if you're traveling as a couple. But me traveling by myself, it was the perfect size. Last year I did go on to the Allure of the Seas, and the outlet game was not very much. I could confidently say that Utopia has a lot more outlets and a lot more technology than the Allure did. I was on a 4-night sailing, and the amount of storage that there was just enough for me. I had plenty of outfits for daytime and nighttime. The bathroom was decent sized, enough space for all my toiletries. The shower area was great. Can't say anything negative about it. And all in all, it was a great experience. Thanks for watching this tour of the Utopia of the Seas interior connecting room. This will likely be my last cruise video for a bit. We do have some more hotel videos coming out soon, so be sure to be on the lookout for that. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.